Hi guys! Today, I'm gonna tackle about impact of online interactions of the self.
Coco Martin!
Online interaction can significantly impact the self, offering opportunities for connection and self-expression, but also posing risks like increased stress, social comparison, and potential for cyberbullying, highlighting the needs for mindful engagement. So there are two types of impact of online interaction of the self. So first is the positive impact and the second is the negative impact. In positive impact, we have enhanced connection and belonging, increased self-esteem, expanded support, opportunities for self-expression, and the last is access for information and support. And in the negative impact, we have stress and burnout, social comparison and pressure, cyberbullying and online harassment, privacy concern, dependence and addiction, cognitive deficit, mental health issues, physical health challenges, and the last is relational problem.
So hi guys! Today, I'm gonna tackle all about positive impacts, enhanced connections, and belongings. So positive impacts like strong relationships and a sense of belongings are crucial for overall well-being, enhancing a mental and physical health, fostering resilience, and promoting a sense of purpose and connections. Here's some breakdowns of importance in positive impacts and connections. Mental health. Reduce stress and anxiety. Feeling connected and belonging can help manage stress and reduce anxiety and depression. Increase resilience. Strong relationships provide a support systems that helps individuals cope with challenges and build resilience. Improve self-esteem. Belonging to a supportive community or a network boost of self-esteem as individuals feels valued and accepted. Enhance well-being. Connections and belonging contribute a greater sense of happiness. Purpose of our well-being. Reduce risk of mental health issues. A lack of belonging can lead to increased risk of mental health problems like depression, anxiety. Physical health and stronger immune system. Social connection can help strengthen the immune system and improve physical health. And also, it reduces risk of chronic diseases. Social isolation and loneliness are linked to a higher risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and stroke. It also improves our longer life efficiency. Research suggests that the social connections can contribute to a longer and healthier life. Social and personal development. Learning and growth. Connecting with others provides opportunities for learning, personal growth, and expanding perspectives. Stronger relationships. Belonging fosters stronger, more meaningful relationships. Sense of purpose. Feeling connected and contributing to a community can lead a greater sense of purpose and meaning in life. It improves social skills. Engaging in social interactions helps develop and refine social skills, reduce social isolation. Strong connections help combat feelings of loneliness and social isolation.
Online platforms. So what is online platforms? Online platforms have revolutionized the way individuals express themselves. They offer a unique space for people to share their thoughts, ideas, and creativity with a global audience. Whether through social media blogs, video sharing, or online communities, people can showcase their talents, discuss their interests, and connect with others who share similar passion. These platforms also give individuals the freedom to explore and present different aspects of their identity. This could include experimenting with new styles, discovering personal interests, or even redefining how they themselves. Online space create opportunities for self-expression that were previously difficult to achieve, allowing people to communicate and interact in ways that might not be possible in person. In essence, the digital world has expanded how we express ourselves, offering new ways to be creative, connect, and explore different identities without geographical or social boundaries.
Access to information and support. Online platforms can serve as valuable resources for accessing information, seeking support, and connecting with experts or first facing similar challenges. Online platforms are digital spaces that enable users to access valuable information, seek support, and connect with others who have similar experience or expertise. These platforms can range from forums and social media groups to specialized websites and professional networks. They serve as a resource where people can ask questions, share advice, and gain insights from experts or firms. For instance, forums like Reddit or specialized support groups or offer a space where individuals can discuss specific challenges and find others who are facing similar issues. Social media platforms such as Facebook groups also provide communities where users can exchange knowledge or provide emotional support. Additionally, websites like Stack Exchange, Quora, or LinkedIn offer direct access to expert advice, industry knowledge, and professional connections. So, online platforms facilitate the sharing of information and create supportive environments where people can engage with others facing similar situations, ultimately empowering users to navigate challenges and more effectively.
Online interactions can shape self-expression and connection but also have risks. Social comparison, cyberbullying, and digital addiction can affect mental health. Being mindful, setting screen time limits, and focusing on positive interaction help maintain a healthy balance. Online interaction can influence how we see ourselves and relate to others. They provide opportunities for self-expression, connection, and learning. However, constantly seeing idealized content online can lead to unhealthy comparisons, self-doubt, and anxiety. Negative experiences like cyberbullying and online criticism can also affect mental well-being. Spending too much time online can lead to digital addiction, reducing real-life interactions. To maintain a healthy balance, it's important to be mindful of how online interaction affect emotions. Set limits on screen time and focusing on meaningful connection. This helps us enjoy the benefits of technology while protecting our mental health and emotional health.
Social comparison pressure refers to a phenomenon where individuals feel compelled to compare themselves to others, often unfavorably due to the curated and manipulated content present online platforms. This pressure can lead to feelings of inadequacy, low self-esteem, and anxiety. When online platforms showcase the highlight reels of other people's lives, making it seem like everyone else is living a more exciting, successful, or happy life. And online harassment refer to the use of technology to intimidate, threaten, or humiliate others. The anonymity and distance of online interactions can embolden perpetrators, making it for them to engage in hurtful behavior. These can lead to severe consequences for victims, including emotional distress, social isolation, and even physical harm.
Privacy concern. What is privacy concern? Sharing personal information online can be risky. Many websites and apps collect data, and if you're not careful, this information can be used for scams or identity theft. Cyber criminals may use your details to steal money, hack accounts, or even pretend to be you. To protect yourself, avoid sharing sensitive details like your address, phone number, or bank information. Dependence and addiction. What is dependence and addiction? The dependent and addiction, spending too much time on social media can lead to addiction, making it hard to focus on real life activities. Many people feel the need to constantly check their phones, which can cause stress, anxiety, and poor mental health. Comparing yourself to others online can also lead to low self-esteem. Too much screen time can harm real-life relationship when people spend hours scrolling instead of taking to family and friends. They may feel disconnected over time. This can make social interaction in person feel awkward or difficult.
Good day, sir. And I'm Bachelor Suchila Brother, and I'm here to discuss cognitive deficits. Cognitive deficits, particularly in areas such as attention, memory, and critical thinking. The constant distraction and multitasking often associated with digital devices can impair an individual's ability to focus for extended periods, leading to decreased attention spans. Studies have shown that frequently internet use can also negatively affect memory retention, as people rely more on online resources for information rather than committing it to memory. This phenomenon, known as the Google effect, suggests that constant access to the internet may reduce the brain's need to store and recall information. Additionally, the shallow processing of information on online can hinder critical thinking and problem solving, as users tend to skim content rather than deeply engage with it. Over time, these cognitive challenges can accumulate, reducing overall mental agility and efficiency in both personal and professional tasks. Mental health issues connected to it. Excessive internet use has been linked to a range of mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, and sleep disturbance. Constant exposure to social media platforms often foster unhealthy comparisons, leading to feeling of inadequacy and low self-esteem. Research shown has that individuals who spend significant time online, particularly on social media, are more likely to experience anxiety and depression, as they constantly exposed to idealized portrayals of others' lives. Furthermore, the lack of face-to-face interaction on online communication can lead to a feeling of social isolation, which can exacerbate mental health problems. In addition, the overuse of digital devices, especially late at night, disrupts sleep pattern by interfering with the production of melatonin and hormones responsible for regulating sleep. This results in sleep deprivation, which can worsen mood disorder and cognitive functions. Overall, the mental health effects of excessive internet use highlights the need for a balanced approach on technology consumption to protect emotional and psychological well-being. That's all. Thank you.
Physical health challenges. Prolonged screen time and sedentary behavior associated with online interaction can negatively impact physical health. Relational problems. Excessive online interaction can lead to neglect of real relationships and social skills. Physical health challenges can be used by a variety of factors, including genetics, lifestyle choices, and environmental exposure. They can affect people of all age and backgrounds.